welcome back to my channel, Be The Source. My name is Bianca, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to know when I post new videos. Today, I'm gonna do a huge Fashion Nova try-on haul. I bought so many things, and with Fashion Nova, it's like a hit or miss. Sometimes they have really good quality things, sometimes they're just trash. So we're gonna go through everything that I bought, and hopefully a majority of them works out. Let's get into the looks. First, I got this black jumpsuit. Let's see if it fits me. I mean, it's cute and it's comfortable and whatever, but I'll come up closer to show you. I feel like the material feels really cheap, and like right here is like super baggy. I don't know if I like that as much, but it's cute though. I like the little bow. So you can see in the picture of how it's supposed to look. I think it's a little off. I feel like I'm gonna rip it anytime soon. Other than that, it's fine. Next we have this leopard set. Super cute. Ooh, this looks small. Let me see if this will even fit me. Okay, I have this set on. It's cute. My only issue is like, if you can see up here, the lining of where the breast is supposed to be cupping is just not accurate. Other than that, I like this a lot. I like it a lot. And I don't really have a set like this, so like I'm glad that I was able to find one. Fits well. I thought it would be a little bit too small because Fashion Nova is finicky. Next we have this sweater set. I saw this and I was like, I have to get it because I like a good sweater set, and also I now live in New York, so I kind of need some sweaters. It feels very light. I'm confused. Who is this supposed to fit? Let's see how this one works on me. Okay, this is cute. I like this a lot. I will say the thread is already coming apart. Again, like I said, Fashion Nova, hit or miss with quality, but this is cute. I think I might tuck this all around. Actually, just leave it how it is for now. I also got these booties right here. I think these will go good with the set. I already opened these to break them in because I wanted to wear them with an outfit that was just all cream and neutrals. So I was like, I should definitely wear this. So let me put this on. I think the booties match with it pretty well. I like this a lot. It's comfy. It's actually warmer than I thought because feeling it, it feels very light. I love the neutral colors of it. Love to see it. Next, we have this red coat. I now live on the East Coast, as I've mentioned before, so I need as many coats as possible. I don't know why I got it in a medium. When I saw this, I was like, yes, Bianca has to have this. The material feels really nice. Let's see if this works. This right here? Oh, what? Yes. Excuse you. Oh, I'm loving this red. My husband's gonna find me in this. It's super comfortable. It runs a little small, so I know why I got a medium instead of a small. This is fire. This is what I need in my life. Inspector Gadget. Excuse me, what? Okay, Fashion Nova. Love to see it. Another trench coat. I got it in a size small. Excited! I guess this is from the Cardi B collection. This looks like this would be a little too small on me because my arms are pretty thick. That's where most of my weight goes, are to my arms, and I work out my arms a lot. So we shall see how this looks on me. Okay, this right here. Love the dramatic shoulder. The shoulders are my favorite part. You know, I love me a good puffy shoulder that looks right. The material kind of looks cheap, but it's like, I don't really expect much from Fashion Nova. Dang, it doesn't have pockets. One of my biggest pet peeves are fake pockets. It's giving me Matrix vibes. Also, I got these sunglasses that I think would be amazing with it. It came over. Listen, cast me for the new member of the Matrix. Yes, I am loving this. Cast me. Call me for the new Matrix. This is amazing. I love this. I probably might have gotten it in a medium just for more wiggle room, but I also like how fitted it is. This is a look for sure. Next, we have this fur jacket. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. This looks amazing. Look at the material of it. This is super cute. I love this. Super comfortable. I will say that you see all the white flyaways, this thing sheds like crazy. Fashion Nova with its trash quality is shedding everywhere. Like, look at this. It's literally shedding everywhere. It's comfy, it's warm. My only thing is that it's shedding. Other than that, it's cute, it's soft, but it is shedding a lot. I don't know if it's worth for me to keep it because it's shedding so much. I thought a small would be too small on me, but it fits me pretty well. Also, I don't see the point of this belt down here. I wish it didn't have it, but it's fine. We have this sweater. This is a crop sweater. Okay. I didn't think it was that cropped. First of all, this thing is way more cropped than I expected. As you can see down here, the white fuzzies is from that last jacket. Super annoying. It's cute, but the model, it's not cropped on her. And this is a size small, so I'm confused. I might just keep it because it is cute and just wear really high-waisted jeans. They fooled me. Next we have this plum colored sweater. I thought it was really cute when I got it and it looks cute on the model. Ooh, the material feels nice. I really like this. This is cute. I'll come closer. Super comfy. I love that it's off the shoulder with a little like sweetheart neck. This is super adorable. And I can wear it like this if I want to, a little higher. This is cute. We're getting somewhere, Fashion Nova. We're getting somewhere. Okay, next we have this top. I went out on a limb getting this top because it's very dramatic and the sleeves were very puffy, so I thought it was cute. So we'll see if this actually looks good on me. It seems a little boxy. The idea of it is cute, but the execution is trash. First of all, there are no belt loops. I literally have to like hold it in. And I wish this was a little bit more structured and easier to wear. I mean, it's cute on, but it's just like, I would have to take it in up here to make sure it stays. The belt comes off separately, so it's just like a big old t-shirt. With the belt on, the fact that there aren't any belt loops in this and that I'm physically holding this, I'm physically holding myself together is an issue. I like the sleeves, it's cute, but the idea was great, but the execution was trash. I don't understand. Yeah, this is gonna go back. I don't want this. We have this red dress. When I saw this dress, I was like, I have to get it. It just looked so great on the model, so I'm like, probably will look good on me, no? The material's nice, okay. All right, this red dress. I'm not in love with it as I thought I would be. It's okay. I think what's bothering me is the top because the top looks like it's cheap, but it feels nice. It's just, I'm not in love with it like I thought it would be. What do you guys think about this one? The top just looks cheap to me. I think that's what's bothering me. The top looks cheap. It doesn't look like it's good quality. I'm not in love with this. I'm probably gonna send this one back. Next, I bought these denim pants and this black one shoulder bodysuit. So this is the bodysuit. The execution of the one shoulder literally looks nothing like the picture. I'm so confused. Like, why is it so awkward? I don't understand. The pants though, I might have gotten them too small, but I'm normally a 5. I think it like smashes my butt a little bit. Yeah, like this is not. This is not it. I mean, I think I need to get these in a size bigger. Yeah, no, this is not gonna work. And the pants just like suck onto my thighs. Like, I get it, I got big thighs. Like, I don't understand. I'm sad. Next, I really went all out with the colors. I got this lavender coat. I saw it and I was like, I want it. So I'm like, why not? Oh, this feels nice. Hopefully this doesn't shed like the white one. And it kind of does shed. Okay, this is cute. I like this, super comfy. I'm already warm. I love the color. I like it a lot. I feel so luxurious. I like that I finally have a pop of color in my closet. I normally just wear literally black, gray, and white. I rarely have color in my closet, so I'm glad that I got this. Another coat. Tell me with the coats. I'm gonna be locked and loaded for this winter. Okay, the material's nice. It seems a little faded. I don't know if I necessarily like that. Hey, yes, I love this. Love the animal print. I'm keeping this. I got this brown corduroy coat. I'm so excited for this. For some reason, I'm not necessarily in love with this coat. I do like the color. I like that it's super long, but I kind of wish it had more volume to it. I wish it was a thicker material. It seems very light, and they weren't lying about it being very much oversized. If I had gotten a small, which is what I am normally, it would have been way too big. I don't hate it. I'll keep it. Okay, our last coat slash jacket from the bunch is this pink puffer jacket. I saw it and I thought it was cute, so here we are. It feels nice. Kind of looks more purple than pink. I like this. This is cute. It's very warm, which I need. I love a good puffer jacket, especially living on the East Coast. You need a couple of puffer jackets. So I only have one right now. Adding this to my collection, making it 2. It looks really nice. I like it a lot. Next, we have this black knitted dress. I saw this on the model and I was like, this is cute. I want it. Ooh, the material feels amazing. It's thick. Oh, I'm excited about this. I'm excited to fill this out because nobody is I'm not this tiny. I like this dress a lot. It's super comfy. It's warm. I love that it's off the shoulder, but I can move it up a little bit. This might be one of my faves out of all that I've bought. The thing that really gets me is the material. It kind of reminds me of a dress that I think Kim Kardashian wore. I'm pretty sure she has something like this. Also, I got these shoes that I think will go well with this dress. These shoes are a vibe. I've always wanted snakeskin booties, finally found them, and it's super comfortable as well. The lining inside is very soft for comfort, which I really like. Love to see it, Fashion Nova. That's all, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. In the description will be all the links to everything that was featured in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what outfits were your favorites, and I'll see you guys when I see you.